Struggling to keep up with tech advancements? Need expert guidance? In today's fast-paced tech world, many professionals find it hard to adapt. Could specialized training help you thrive? Welcome to London Tech Academy. We offer comprehensive training in Copilot, AI, M365 Power Platform, and Dynamics, plus consulting services from certified trainers. Empowering your tech journey. How it works. Online learning provides flexibility and accessibility for students. Classroom learning offers a structured environment with direct interaction. Both formats can cater to different learning styles and preferences. Students can choose the mode that best fits their schedule and lifestyle. Your future in tech starts here. Prepare for tomorrow's challenges today. Training for future technologies, students gain skills in cutting-edge fields like AI and Copilot. Industry-relevant curriculum, courses designed to meet the demands of the evolving tech landscape. Hands-on experience, practical training that prepares students for real-world applications. Career readiness, equips students with the tools needed to excel in future job markets. Interested in learning more? London Tech Academy. Contact us now to explore our programs. Call today.